Okay, this is a brand new computer that I've just imaged. So what we're going to do is open up terminal, and we're going to just emulate the experience of the device being wiped. I don't have it connected anywhere via MDM or CrowdStrike FileVault at the moment, so I'm just going to run all the commands locally. But before I do anything, let's just verify that we have FileVault enabled. Privacy and security, and we can see at the bottom here, FileVault is on. Cool. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to open up a admin root shell. Password is password for the moment. And the three things we're going to do is, one, we're going to erase or lock the disk or wipe the disk. Two, we're going to post back to some endpoint service, and three, we're going to go and reboot the machine. So the first command is xartutil APFS delete container -force disk 0s2. I'm going to chain that, and let's just do curl example.com just as a means of hopefully seeing something happen. Let's go -I for the fun of it. And we're also going to reboot. So one, we're going to erase the disk. Two, we're going to post back our erasure report, and three is going to reboot. Might not see the erasure report because it happens really quickly. Okay, 3, 2, 1, enter. It's going to start doing its wipe. Cool. We didn't see it for long, but I think we saw a HTTP request go through, and we would have seen the disk reboot itself. So the machine reboot itself. Okay, we've got this here. Now this is going to boot loop a few times, and hopefully should give us the error at some point in time. Cool. This version needs to be reinstalled. So what we're going to do is go to recovery. And now at this point, what we want to do is go to utilities and terminal. Okay, so now we have a bash terminal. Now we only need to enter one command, so I'll just type it in, I'll zoom in as much as we can. We're gonna go disk-util erase volume in all caps APFS, and then in quotations Macintosh HD, and then we're going to be targeting disk 0s2 again. Press enter. It's going to start erasing it, unmounting it, erasing it, mounting it. It's going to create an APFS container and also the Macintosh HD volume within that container. Cool. Okay. I'm going to quit that command queue, and we're going to go into reinstall macOS Tahoe. Click continue. Click continue again. Now for this first installation, we actually want it to fail because we need to do another step after this. I can't find any other way to actually trigger that step without going through this install process first. Cool. I'm connected to the internet via a Ethernet adapter here on the left. Otherwise, just connect via Wi-Fi. Cool. So read the terms and conditions. Should agree to it. Cool. Agree. We can see that the volume or the disk appears here. We're going to get an error first. This Mac must be erased before installation can proceed. An error occurred while reading device owners ensure that a user is allowed to administer this computer. I'm going to click erase Mac. It's going to give us an error saying there are no users on this volume to recover. We're going to go to the top left, click on Recovery Assistant, and we're going to click Erase Mac. Cool. If you're unable, blah, 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 we'll click this button in blue, or text in blue, Erase Mac, Erase Mac. And this is going to reset the secure enclave, which allows us to actually install back onto that volume container, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I'm going to reboot the computer as it clears the, I think it's called a seal. It's going to clear the seal inside of the secure enclave, and now we'll be able to actually just go and do the normal install process. So with the install process, it's going to download the macOS operating system installer. It's about 18 gigabytes. So I would recommend, connect your computer to the internet and let it do its thing. It's going to try to activate the Mac since we've cleared kind of I'm going to say tokens. I don't know what word it is. It should happen by itself. It might ask you for a Apple account, which will just be whatever the previous owner was, but on managed devices enrolled in ABM, I don't think it would matter. Cool, Mac is activated. We're going to exit to recovery. We'll see the screen appear. We can go reinstall, click continue. Again, if you need Wi-Fi, connect to Wi-Fi, else plug in a Ethernet adapter. Cool, we're going to click agree again, and we'll click Macintosh HD, click continue, and now you should connect your computer to a power source. Good idea. I have a power cable which I can do that. Not important, I'm on full charge, but recommended to do that anyway. Let's plug it in. Cool. And now it's going to go and download macOS. Cool. Once it finishes, it's going to reboot a few more times, and then you'll be presented with the setup screen, and then you'll be able to use the computer from there. Cool. If you are with another computer, then doing the DFU restore is probably much faster, especially if you've downloaded the OS on that other machine already, so you don't need to re-download the whole entire 18 gigabytes again. Cool. All right, end of this video.